Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and fantastic day today. Now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about how to smash the like button. Go ahead, smash the like button, subscribe, do what you guys do. But in today's episode, we're really going to be talking about how to buy stock on the Cash App. Is it worth it? Is it a good idea? Is it something that you should even consider when you want to buy a stock? Well, all your questions will be answered in this video. So for those of you that don't know what the Cash App is, Cash App's very similar to like a Venmo or a Zelle, where you can pretty much send money to someone else or receive money from someone else. They do have a couple ways on how they make money themselves. They do charge fees with sending money instantaneously, and they do have a variety of other products with them. Now they do have these things called Boost. It's pretty much when the Cash App gives you discounts on a ton of restaurants. You can get it like $1 off coffee, you can get it 10% off Chipotle, stuff like that in the Cash App Boost. So recently Cash App has announced that you can now actually buy and sell stock on their app. So we're going to be going ahead buying some stock and looking at the Cash App. So as you guys pull up the Cash App here, you guys can see that now there is this little, almost like a little line going up and down that is for your stock. So looking at the stock, it has this like investing platform on it. Now, instead of using like a huge and industrial chart like these, the ones that I normally use, they break it down and they make it very simple, and they don't make it too overbearing to beginners. So what stands out from Cash App rather than all these big large stream brokers is you can buy stock with as little as $1. So you can buy like a share of Disney for $1, and Disney trades at like $150. You can buy partial stock, that's what it's called. And you get partial dividends, you get partial everything when it comes along with it. So we're going to be going ahead buying some stocks so you guys can see how it works and pretty much how to do it. So if let's say we want to scroll down here, you guys can see the stocks that I have total in my portfolio. I only have $8 in it just because I made videos on the past and you guys seem to really love them. And there'll be a link down below for a more comprehensive review of it down below. So as we go ahead and scroll down, you guys can create watch list and pretty much put stocks in here that you guys see potential and stocks maybe you want to buy in the future. So if let's say we want to buy, some more Apple here, because it looks like we don't have any Apple in our portfolio. So we can go ahead, click on Apple, and how to add it to your watch list, you got to make sure you click follow, and so you're up and going. So now you guys can see the Apple charts, and they are line charts. They're not candlesticks. Candlesticks are more for traders, and this is just trying to be a more simple investing platform. So we can go ahead and click buy. Let's just do $1 just for right now. We can go ahead and click next, and then it's going to load up, and we're just going to click confirm. Now once we click confirm, then it says you purchased $1 of Apple. Go ahead and click done. So now as we go back to my portfolio, you guys can see $1 invested in Apple. Let's say we want to sell our Apple share right now, so we can go ahead, click on the Apple product, click sell, and go ahead and go through this procedure as the buy. But we're going to leave it up. All you're going to have to do is just click confirm, and the same thing will say you sold $1 of Apple. So let's go ahead and buy a couple more here. Let's buy some Microsoft. Let's buy $1 in Microsoft if we can. Boom, 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 $1. And they make it very easy, and as you guys can see, there's no fees, there's pretty much nothing you have to worry about. The total cost is $1. You're not, buying $1 of a company and then having, 10 cents come out for commissions, because that's already 10%. So we can go ahead and click confirm, and then the exact same thing will come across. Obviously, you're not going to get instant fast, lightning fast executions on this, so it's not going to be like a day trading platform. It's going to be more, my friend just sent me, $200 for rent. Let's take $50 or $10 and put it towards some stock, and you guys can just diversify your portfolio very well with this. That's why I like it. So we can go ahead and go back. So now it looks like we're up 1.31%. We have $10 total invested. So let's just continue to go through and buy some stock. So another thing that they have is they have the biggest daily movers. So you guys can see stocks that are going up, down and really just all over the charts here, so you can kind of stay away from those if I were you guys. But I would just stick to stocks you know, because those are more predictable. So we can go ahead and buy some AMD. I think AMD is pretty cool, so we can go ahead and click buy. $1, next, confirm, and then we purchased $1 of advanced micro devices. So we can go ahead, go back, and then you guys can see all of the stocks in our portfolio. And honestly, it's kind of a cool little thing that they have. We're gonna put another $2 in Tesla here because I think Tesla is doing awesome things. So we're gonna go ahead, click buy. We can go ahead and just click this little custom amount. You just have to make sure it's over $1. So we're gonna go ahead and click $2, click next, let that load, click confirm, and then it will say you purchased $2 of Tesla right there. So we can go ahead and click done. So that's pretty much how you buy stock on the Cash App. My overall review of the Cash App, honestly, I think it's really cool. I really do think it's cool. If you guys want to get $5 for signing up, and you guys think you can just you can literally take this $5, invest it into some stocks, and start your investing career. Guys, go ahead, there'll be a link down below for you guys. So that's pretty much how you buy and sell stock on the Cash App. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care, peace out, and have a good one.